Okay, sanding day has arrived. We rented the drum sander from Home Depot and an edger. We're gonna put a window fan in the window, try to pull the dust, any extra dust like out instead of it blowing into the rest of the house. We're also gonna be taping off the doorway with some plastic sheeting just to try to prevent any dust from making it out into the rest of the house. So we will see how this goes. All the nail holes have now been prepped and filled in. So here we go. Easy 8, eh? Okay, well, so you ready then?
Easy it is.
Okay, are you ready?
It's very easy, actually. I just gotta get the act
Like the rhythm. And we're wearing a face mask because any kind of particles are never good for your lungs. FYI. Overly cautious. All right.
There's no dust.
Well, that's good because we've definitely made sure to try to keep the dust out. I made little plastic compartments everywhere so that I wouldn't have a bigger mess to clean up. So I'm taping from inside the plastic. Continue on. Carry on, my wayward son. I feel like you're in an aquarium and I can watch you. Because you're like behind plastic. So I feel like I want to come over to the window and just keep like peeking in. Like normally a door would be closed, you'd be doing the project for hours and like I won't see you. But like now that there's like this see-through window, like I'm just watching you. It's like entertaining to just keep peeking in and seeing what's going on in here.
It's a wild human.
A renovation in the wild. So update, there is sawdust collecting on the plastic, so it probably is covering all the walls and everything. Yeah, so good thing we did put the plastic up, so there will always, I guess, be some, if you don't have like a really high quality, I guess, machine with a really good filter, there's gonna be like some mess.
The fan is helping them, sucking it all out.
Yeah, so at least it's gonna pool that way and hopefully not blow into the rest of the house. Let's go under the plastic here. Okay, so what's the update?
All those lines aren't going away. So we're going to try rougher grit sandpaper. This is 36. This is 24. So I'm going to get this.
They say to not really use that heat red because it's very aggressive, but we have some really bad scratches in this floor. So like, I guess if your floor didn't have a ton of scratches, you would not even attempt that. There would be no need. But since, I mean, the floor is in bad shape and the scratches are going to stay if we don't go with something stronger. So there you can see they're all over there still. We'll make the mistake so then you don't have to. No, I'll show you. I'll show you what happens. I think it's going to be okay though. All right, 24 going down. Well, going on. Going down. Going down.
Over here was just a bed of this, and that's not gone, but better.
It's really deeply gouged, and that's how I know that I'm not taking too much material off, because I'm not even getting past those gouges. You know what I mean?
You have sanded up to 60.
The first pass is 60 grit.
60 grit. And now you are trying the edger
at 60 grit.
60 grit.
So starting the edger at 60 grit instead of 36.
But it's very loud.
Yeah, it's
So
very
we're going to
loud.
get some hearing protection.
Yeah, I need earmuffs.
It's the next day after sanding, working on cleaning up the floor. We do have some haloing around the edges, so we're gonna see if like a little bit of like 220 or something, if we could feather it out a little bit. So he's also using a hand scraper around like the corners.
It's with the carbide tip. Scrapes up the stuff in the finish right off the corner area.
Can you see that?
Mm-hmm. Okay, and here is the sanded floor. The floor has now been prepped, sanded, cleaned, and it's ready to start applying the sealer and the polyurethane. I think it came out pretty good. We got a lot of the scratches out for how it looked beforehand, and not being professionals. I think it's in really good shape. I'm happy with it. The camera's not really showing the correct lighting. It's like a little more red in real life. I think it's red oak. But yep, now comes the finishing part.